In order to get started, the interesting part of writing the code, let us install our code editor. In here, we will use Visual Studio Code Editor. Visual Studio Code is a source code editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It is great and it has more functions such as code snippets. Code snippets are simply reusable source code, and we will see it more details in coming lessons. Now, let us download and install the software from the online. So now let us download our program, Visual Studio Code, and here is it, the first one. Click on it. If you're using Mac, you can always download whatever operating system you are using. So Windows right here. After my download is finished, then I can go to the folder or just open. Here is my download folder. Still taking some time to finish. Done. Okay, click on it, and then your setup will start. Accept, next, next, next. You can choose always any option that you want. I will just use the standard default and everything, but you can customize. It doesn't take much. And finish and launch.